Greetings everyone. Sengibuyile. Ngingithanda ukuba sicebisane ngezinto mhlambe ezingajwayelekile noma mhlambe izinto nje ezithile ezingabaleka nje in our daily lives. So angazi bakwethu senayibona le. Okay, let me say nje na internet is always a challenge to everyone. It's expensive. The data is always expensive of it. But kunento lana kodwa abaningi abanye sebeyazi kodwa kulabo abangakayazi kunento ebizwa I don't want to promote. I'm not promoting people's products, but if it's something that could be usable, benefit you, it could benefit me, it could benefit you too. Ibizwa Telkom Unlimited, all hours and Telkom Unlimited off peak. So how it works, it's an unlimited, it's like LTE type of a data. So uma ukwazi ukusebenzisa i-LTE data la ukhona, uma uyithenga labo 7.5 gig anytime, 7.5 gig night saver, then you can also use this one. So it's using a speed of 10 megabyte per second over 31 days. Enye isebenzisa 20 megabyte per second at 31 days. So hlukana kanjena ke 20 megabyte per second u 500 gig FUP yakhona. FUP is fair policy usage. Bese kuzoba le 10 megabyte per second all hour nayo 250 gig FUP yakhona, fair policy usage, and yona 250 gig 31 days nayo. Bese bakhona le ebizwa off peak. Off peak yona it differ in a way that as much as give you 250 gig is 10 megabyte per second speed. Yona isebenza kanje nama hours ayo iqala ngo 12 midnight. You understand? Izophela nini? Iphele ngo 7 p.m. From 7:01 p.m. to 23 or 11:59, you use your own data. Because uqala kickstart nini? Ngo 12 midnight. Abanye bayabuza ke, okay, ama price akhona they varies. Okay, lega 20 megabyte per second, ega 500 gig all hours ibiza about 700 something rand. Bese kuthi le 10 megabyte per second 250 gig all hour nayo ibiza 670 something rand. I'm not sure, but you'll find it ngoba it's for even prepaid people can use that one. So bese lena ke off peak le eqala 10 midnight kuya ku 7 p.m. yona i-279 rand. Right, imagine having unlimited data from midnight until 7 p.m. Yes, argument would be that most of things that are interesting, especially ziqala ngabo 7 p.m. like sikhuluma nje ngama news, prime news, news ama news mhlambe mhlambe une DStv usese SABC for watching news. Qala mhlambe lozo khatleza ukuya lena. Mhlambe izinto ezimportant discuss because abantu they using for people who they use DStv. So it's really kuzokuba a challenge ukuthi at that time when you really need to use your peak hour, and then that's when you don't have internet. But for those are available, let's say mhlawumbe ufuna ukuthekela mama wakho noma ubaba wakho noma whoever at home, or abantu abangasebenzi kusho njalo, or abasenza ama day shift. It's good for people abasenza ama day shift esisho senjalo. Ubuke izinto zakho ibuye. But again, during the weekend, because sonke sisekhaya during weekend, most labangaseza ama-weekend bahlezi emakhaya, you can use it from as early as you can. Maybe it's uvuka ngo-7, you can use it from 7 o'clock until 7 midnight. That's 12 hours watching it. Not 12 hours, but maningi lama hours lawo. 12 hours if you want to. But yona it sends from 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What's it mean? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 19 hours of data unayo. Then you get 4 hours omunye awusena data. But kodwa akufani ungabi nalutho. So actually how to use it, how to get that, you start on Telkom, you star 180 hash. Then izobe also signals ama menu. You go to select number 5, which is a data purchase or data buy data. From there you choose unlimited. Izobe sikutshela ke if you have to have e-coverage ama LTE. And then you choose, there are 3 options. Ilega 10 megabytes all hour, nega 10 megabytes per second all hour, 20 megabytes per second all hour, nale ethi ke 10 off peak ke yona uzobona ngo off peak yona egcineni. So yona ke le, but it's 279 guys. You have that data. La manye you can use it la abo le ama all hours, but it's expensive. Telkom ke in you can go to store and your button will evaluate what you can get approved for it. Yeah, so looking for was Nasakona guys. Stop worrying about, for those who are affording, stop worrying on the internet as much as it's legally, but you can use 250 gig for 19 hours a month, 31 days in fact. It's a lot. So if you have that much, stop using about 10 gig, every day, about 50 gig. Okay, anything it doesn't use a fixed address where you have to be in a certain address to get the coverage. Only if you know if you have LTE coverage. Therefore, sharp. Emsebenzini, endlini, hamba nayo, can be get connected. So if you have never heard of that, I'm telling you right now that you could benefit from that. So my data is of it. Well, I think senzokhuleka manje ngoba ngizwe ngathi kwa ekhasa ithi now ama data gets expire. As from next year, I think they have to bashawa umthetho lona ukuthi abantu abadasa data is gonna be illegal now to the data expire. So you can buy your data now 1 terabyte since as many days as you can without expiring. Only if it expires then you have to buy a new one. But that law will still be enforced. I think about from next year. If as long as about February this year. So yeah, we're still going towards the end of this year. 2027 they should start using that law. My data expire nowadays because that's the slim as expire my data. So peace for now. Peace out. We'll talk later when there's anything important that comes around for me so that I can share with you.